Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully everyone is doing okay, and as you can see, I am showing you, okay, I made this micro bikini top, okay, micro bikini top, and it's green, color green. And I just finished doing my tutorial for the bikini bottom. Okay, so that is like a set. Okay, so to do this tutorial, okay, all you need is a cotton yarn. Anything, any yarn that you have, is you can use it. You just have to find the right crochet hook for it. So with this one, I will be using four ply cotton yarn. Okay, so that's how is it. And my 2.5 millimeter hook. I love this one. Okay, so at the moment as I'm doing all these bikinis, and this hook is so lovely, it's amazing, I love it. And you don't get pain by doing continuously. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to start this, okay, so every time you made a bra cup, okay, you are going to start here. Okay, start here and then work around and then go around. Okay, let's get started. So this one is because it's a mini, okay, so micro, okay, so it is small. Okay, so I will start a foundation chain of 14. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so after that we have to hang on a second. So hang on. 2 4 6 8 10 12, yeah, 14. Okay, so I'm just wondering, it looks like mine is kind of bigger. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. Okay, so 14. Okay, now we block this last chain, okay, and we are going to add 3 more chains. Okay, and then we are going to insert in that hook that we just block off, and we are going to make a double crochet. Okay, and then we are going to do a double crochet all the way to the last stitch. Okay, so just continue that. Okay, it's just one double crochet in each chain until to the end. Okay, at this moment I think, micro bikini, tiny bikini is very cute if you have a nice body. But if we don't have, and then yeah, too bad. So okay, so we are in our last chain. Okay, so what am I going to do now? Okay, so from here is chain 3. Okay, and then turn our work. Okay, and then double crochet again. But what I will do is take this first chain, okay, yarn over, okay, insert, and then pull up the loop, and then insert in the second one, and then pull up the loop. Okay, so we have 4, yarn over, pull through 3, and yarn over, pull through 2, so we don't have that big space there or big gap. Okay, so and then we are going to continue this until we get to the top. Okay, so we're just going to continue that, going to the top, and then when we get to the top we are going to increase. Okay, so we're getting there, and be mindful as well, guys, that every time you're working with your project to count the stitches and make sure you have all the stitches that you need. Okay, so with this one, okay, so we're here now. Okay, so there's a chain there. Okay, so I am going to put one in there, and then as you can see in the middle here I am going to put 3 double crochet in there. Okay, and 3, and then in here 1 double crochet, and we are going to continue working, going back down, okay, until we finish the row. Okay, if you are new to my channel, guys, please subscribe if you want. No pressure. I would appreciate your support. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, or you can leave a comment as well. If if you like the video, you have any suggestion or advices or anything. Okay, so we finish. Okay, so with this one is we just have to chain 3 and then going back. So going back is the same. Okay, so yarn over into the first stitch, pull up the yarn, and then insert in the second one and pull up the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and then continue doing it until you get to the top. Okay, so in the top here, okay, so we have three chain there. Okay, so in the top of the middle one we are going to put 3 double crochet. Okay, so it's the same as what we did here. So in the middle there we are going to put 3 double crochet. Okay, so that is how my stitches. Okay, so all around. Okay, so this is our middle. Okay, so we started there, and then we have 1 2 3 4 5 rows. Okay, and as you can see we have 3 double crochet there, and then the middle I put 3 double crochet, and then on top of the second one I put 3 double crochet, and on top of the middle one I put 3 double crochet, and then on top of the middle one again I put 3 double crochet, and we end up this. Okay, so if you need more rows, okay, you can just continue doing that until you get the rows or the size that you need. Okay, but for this one I have 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 in this side and 5 in this side. This is the middle one. Okay, so that is very simple. And then doing this, okay, so what are you going to do? Doing this is when you get your bra ready. Okay, so in the middle, okay, so this is our middle. Okay, so I put my yarn there, but what I do is I change it into a bigger size hook. Okay, so I change it into a bigger size hook, so I insert in there. Okay, so that is how we make this string. So insert there, pull up your yarn, okay, and then insert into the next stitch, and then pull up your yarn, and then single crochet, and then chain from there, and then continue chaining, okay, until the length that you decide. Okay, so if it is small, and then you have to, you know, measure it. Okay, so that is how I made my string here. Okay, so then this chain here I do the same, so it is just single crochet. Oh, no, it's not a single crochet, it's a chain. Okay, so I started from slip knot. Okay, insert your big hook. Okay, and then from there chain, make a chain of the length that you need. Okay, so just continue chaining until you have reached, okay, the length that you need. Okay, and that is my cord. And then to put this, okay, so as you can see we have rows. Okay, rows. Okay, so the first one is I put in this row, and then inserted it in the second one, and then pull up in the third row, and then insert it back in, and then pull up, and then until I ended in the other side. And at the same time I did the same in this side as well. Okay, so we are done. It's very quick. Okay, it is very quick, very simple. You can add some, you know, edging and stuff like that, but you know, like, this is very cute already. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and thank you very much for your support, for subscribing onto my YouTube channel. And hopefully, anyone that is new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so when I uploaded a new video, interesting video, of course cute videos, you will get notified. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much guys. Bye.